guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about today's video. It is a very different video for me to do, but I asked y'all on Snapchat if you'd like to see a school supply video because I have been going shopping everywhere for you guys. I've been to Staples, Office Depot, TJ Maxx, Target, Walmart, Home Goods, Ross, Marshalls. You name it, I've been there because as you guys know, this time of the year, I do a crazy amount of back to school giveaways. Last year I did 3 back to school giveaways and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna try to do 3 this year. If you haven't already checked them out, I'll leave them down below. I'm giving away book bags, Chromebooks, binders, pens, pencils, makeup, everything you need for school. I got you covered, so make sure to enter those giveaways because they're really exciting and I'm excited to give back to you guys. So anyways, on my little journey getting stuff for you guys for back to school giveaways, I realized that some places are more expensive than others. So for example, would you rather pay $4 for this or $4 for this? Right? I mean, we obviously know the answer right here. So I'm going to go through a ton of different school supply items that I've purchased. All of these items, every single one, are going to be in giveaways either that are already up or that are coming up. And yeah, I just want to kind of go through like how to save money, different places that I found like either have cuter stuff, cheaper stuff, whatever, better deals. We're going to go through it all because if you are school supply shopping, I thought this would be a really good video for you guys to watch. So, okay, I'm going to stop rambling because I know I'm like rambling a lot. So let's dive in. Okay, so the very first thing that you need for school is going to be a book bag. And I'm going to show you 2 that I picked up. I need to order a 3rd one online. I will try to link some of the stuff if I can find it. This stuff I definitely got online, but yeah, so this is a Jansport book bag. You guys, this is probably like my favorite book bag I've ever saw any company come out with. I think it's so pretty and just vibrant. This is going to be in my next back to school giveaway, probably in a week or 2. But yeah, this is from Jansport. Jansport, I feel like, has really good quality book bags. They are a little bit pricey. I think this one was around $60, but it has like 2 different compartments for you to put just different books and everything in. I was like trying to make it focus. But anyways, as you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, while I was looking at book bags, I found this brand called High Sierra, and they actually have some really good deals on Amazon that you can get. Some of these actually come with like lunch boxes and things like that. This one I think was like $35. It was really inexpensive. And it also has a lot of room in it. You have room for like pens. You have like organizers, dividers in the front. And then you even have your main pocket. And then you even have a pocket to like put a laptop or a binder in. So I love book bags that have different dividers. You guys, going through this is making me want to go back to school, honestly. I love school supplies. I'm such a nerd. But yeah, so the High Sierra brand, I definitely feel like this is a good quality material, and especially because it was very, you know, in my opinion, inexpensive compared to the Jansport. I like them both. But yeah, I wanted to show those to you. Now, as far as cute binders, I had the hardest time finding cute binders. Normally, Target has really cute binders, but this time of the year, when I started school supply shopping for you guys, they hadn't put all of the like school section out. So my favorite place to find binders is going to be Office Depot. So I got this one there. I think this one's really cute. It is I think this is a 1-inch binder or a 1/2 inch. No, it's a 1-inch binder. It has like little flowers on it, and then you open it up and it has just cute little polka dots. They had a whole entire section and it was like, I think buy 3 for $9 or 4 for $12. I can't remember, but it was a really good deal. I got this one there, which has like a little unicorns and just stars and everything on it. And then I also got this one, which is kind of like a mint green blue color that has a little heart on it. And then I also have one that's just pink glitter that's really cute as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend checking out Office Depot or Target for getting your binders. Okay, let's talk about the comparison I made earlier because this literally shocked me. I really wanted to take some of this stuff back, but I have been up to my head in receipts from all this shopping I've been doing for school supplies. So this was at Staples, and I went to Staples first and I found this and I was like, oh, this is a cute little pack. So you get 3 erasers right here. Let's see, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different grips for your pencils. And I don't know how many erasers. I'll give you guys a close-up just so that way you can kind of see. I'm going to scoot up a little bit more too. So yeah, there is that. And then this was at Office Depot for the same exact price. It made me sick. There is probably 25 dang erasers in here. I mean, this is a ton of erasers, especially compared to the 3 that you're getting in the Staples one. So Office Depot, for like little supplies like this, they have different sections where they have like notebooks and just miscellaneous items, pens, pencils, binders, staplers, scissors. They have a really good deal. So again, you get all these erasers, you get all these grips, again, probably, I don't know, like 20, and then you're also getting the eraser top. So yeah, definitely check out this deal at Office Depot if it's still going on. They do run deals around this time. Okay, next thing we have, a lot of times, again, when I do these back to school giveaways, people want to know where some of the items are, and they're always just very random. So I love going to Home Goods and TJ Maxx for different school supplies. So this is a little pad folio, I guess is what you call it. And here's what it looks like on the inside. And you have just like sheets of notebook paper. This was $4.99. And I'm going to tell you what, sometimes when you shop, especially your calendars and just stuff that's more like customized or like just getting organized kind of stuff, when you go and get those at Staples and Office Depot and stuff like that, normally their calendars, like personal calendars, are $20 or $30. And stuff like this you can find at Home Goods. Some of the planners that I got were like $9. And they're way cuter. Like 100 times cuter than the ones that you get at Office Depot. So yeah, this came from Home Goods, $4.99. I feel like if you got this at like a Walmart or a Staples, Home Depot, it would probably cost like $10 or something. So I thought that was really cute. Next thing, I always get this 100 gel pen set. And here's what it looks like. Last year, I think it was in more of like a square box. But you get so many different colors. And I think this was $19.99. I actually got this at Costco. If you guys have a Costco card, I do recommend it for some stuff, but some things are kind of like obsessive there. Like they'll have just white binders and you can get like 5 white binders. Just for me personally, I just like cute stuff. But yeah, this 100 gel pen set was a really good price. I actually did look on Amazon because I need to order one more set of pens. And the Amazon ones weren't really that bad price. I don't know how good the quality is. This one is a Gel Writer is the brand, I believe. But I think these are a pretty good brand as far as gel pens go. So I was really happy with getting this at Costco. Okay, so I'm over here talking about planners. And I'm like, Danielle, why don't you just show them the planners since this is a haul? I guess I'm just kind of weird because I've never done this kind of haul before. Okay, so this is one of the planners I got at TJ Maxx. This was $9.99. And as you can see, it is a pretty nice size planner. I like it because it's just cute and fun. You have different stickers that you can put in it. You literally have like a couple pages of just different stickers that you can use. Urgent, party, whatever. So you have a different little divider for every single month. And it's just cute little fun sayings. And then also I love that it has a peek at September. So you have September goals, September birthdays, September anniversaries, to-do list, and then each and every page has a quote in it. So this one again is from TJ Maxx, $9.99. And then this one's another TJ Maxx find. This was $12.99. On the front it says, when I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. And this is one of the more, I would say like classic kind of planners. It's like a bigger planner. It has your calendars and then you can do additional notes for like each and every day. But again, if you were to go out and buy this at like Office Depot or something, this would probably run you like $25. So I definitely think if you're looking for a planner that TJ Maxx or Home Goods is definitely 100% the way to go. I really think that this came from Home Goods for some reason, but you know, Home Goods is also like, I guess, owned by TJ Maxx, so I don't know, but definitely get your planners there. And then if you want like cute little calendar stuff, again, this came from Home Goods. This was $7.99, and this is more of like a weekly calendar. You have a weekly calendar, you have notes that you can put up here, you have little post-its, you have small post-its, and you have little like binder clips. This kind of stuff, again, I just feel like if you were to buy at some of the like bigger name brand places, it would be a lot more expensive. Now I do love Staples for their calculators. I just randomly saw this sitting here and I'm like, oh, I forgot about this. This was one I got for my first back to school giveaway and I'm seriously obsessed with it. I just think it's so cute and fun and colorful. And again, this one did come from Staples. If I'm not mistaken, I think this was $4, so not really bad for a calculator. Okay, next we have another TJ Maxx find. This has little lipsticks on it and it just says stick to it. It is a little notebook that you can just write different notes on, and it was $2.99, so really inexpensive. Next thing we have, this is a wall pop. Now they have these kind of scattered out throughout Home Goods, but this is basically like a big calendar that you can put on your wall. And again, it was $12.99, compare at $20. You guys, I'm telling you. The Home Goods and the TJ Maxx's are the way to go if you want to find more like customized stuff, in my opinion. Okay, then we have some Sharpies. So these are the Electro Pop Sharpies. And I think these are the fine, yeah, they're the fine marker tips. They aren't the super, super fine ones. For these, I feel like Home Depot, why do I keep saying Home Depot? If I've said Home Depot throughout this, I'm sorry. I mean Office Depot. Office Depot. I really think I've been saying Home Depot. Okay, Office Depot and Walmart had the best deals for Sharpies. I did get a huge set at Walmart that was like, I don't know, maybe like $9. So really good deals on Sharpies at those two places. Now, I don't know if y'all have these where you live, but the 5 and Below store is really good if you're trying to get some like really inexpensive items. So these are two different sets that came from the 5 and Below store. I think they were like $2, $3, and you do actually get a good amount of pencils in these. So yeah, 5 and Below, I don't know if y'all have them, but that's one of the stores I found some stuff at. I have had so many people ask me about the little mason jar that I had of cupcakes, and they were erasers. And here's the other set I have for my next giveaway, and these are little donuts. Look how freaking cute these are. I know y'all are not ready for this. Another Home Goods find. Home Goods, Home Goods. And then we have these 20 binder clips for $4.99. They are super cute. You have like teals and pinks and just like baby blues. And I really like this. The only thing I hate is that it's in like a glass container. So as far as shipping goes, I'm going to have to wrap it up. But another one, I just feel like they're not your ordinary, like everything that everybody else has from like your Walmart and Target and things like that. You can definitely find just some unique items in there. These are like so cute and like my favorite. Okay, and then Office Depot had some things that were really neat. The first one is this 3-hole punch, and this is also a ruler. So you have a ruler, you have a 3-hole punch if you have just paper that doesn't have hole punches in it, and you can actually put this in your binder, so it's like nice, neat, and secure. And then they had these index cards this year that I thought were neat, and they had rings on them. This is one, and then I also have one that's like pink and glittery, but this is nice because it keeps all of your notes together. And then what you could do is take the little sticky notes that are like really small and rectangular and just separate them for each, I don't know, class or test that you're studying, and then you have them all right here, and you can just flip them over, and then they stay. Because I don't know about y'all, but I remember having to have like the little teeny, like, I don't know, box that you had to put your index cards in. So this to me was really cool. Things have definitely changed since I was in school. Okay, next we have file folders. I don't know if you guys really use file folders, but I always pick them up for giveaways because I think they're fun and cute. So these are, again, from Home Goods. So the first one we have has like a little Eiffel Tower. And then I'll show you guys a close-up. This one has like little lips on it. And again, $4.99. And then this one's kind of like fun and bright and pink and colorful. So it says Focused and Fabulous. And then we have Brilliant Ideas. And then there's another one that says Get It Done. And then it just has like little decorations here at the top. So much cooler than your normal folders. You know what I mean? Okay, then we had Office Depot again. So they had these college ruled composition books. I think these were like $2 or $3. Sometimes I get them at Target. But those were the two places that I found them. Most of the other places, I didn't really see a lot of these out. And then we have some more just like fun random notebook. Okay, so this is another one. I think this one was TJ Maxx. And it is the Clementine notepad. And it just has like, you know, just like a regular notebook, except some of the pages have pink on the outside. And then you have like some gray and some orange. But again, super cute notebook. And it was $4.99. Most of them are $4.99, but some of the ones that I saw at, where was it? I cannot remember. I think it was probably Staples. They were just like a normal notebook, and it was like $9 for the notebook. So I would rather have cute notebooks and have more of them. That's just me. So this next notebook is $3.99. Again, it came from TJ Maxx, and I just thought this one was cute. When you open it up, it has like a flowery design, and it's just a little teeny notepad. I have lots and lots of different notepads. Most, again, TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And they also are just kind of inspiring. Another Home Goods one that just says Wildest Dreams. and it has like gold on the paper. And again, you just have a normal notebook. Then I found these at, where are these from? Office Depot. So again, they had some really colorful ones that they had a sale going on. I think they were $3 a piece, but they're just bright and fun and colorful. They also had like your scissors for like $1, staplers, like little mini staplers for like $1. They had some good deals. And it's always, you want to go in kind of like the school supply section, because even at Office Depot, if I branched out a little bit, some of the stuff did get a little bit more expensive. And then sometimes you can also find matching stuff. So this one again is another one of those Clementine from, this one's TJ Maxx. $4.99. Again, how freaking cute is this? I mean, seriously, you guys, I'm so obsessed. So this is a little notebook. And then this one, $6.99 from TJ Maxx. It has like the little pineapples. I mean, how cute are these? I love little pineapple stuff. This one is just a normal notebook. This one kind of like has quite a bit of bend to it, so I really like that. And the only thing is, I feel like maybe these pineapples are printed upside down. I don't know if they're supposed to be like that. And they also have more that you can like interchange. So this one was actually a 2 set. It was $5.99 at TJ Maxx. So one side says Girl Boss, and then the other side has master plans, and it has date, task, and done. And then it has just different notes. I love that. I'm like, oh my gosh, this would be really cool for work. I wish that I had more of these because this is so cute. I'm trying to think of other stuff that I could tell you guys about. I know as far as big pencils, I really did like the deals at Walmart. Let's see if I have any of those. Okay, so here are the big pencils that I got. I can't remember how much these were, maybe like $4. And they're break resistant leads, and they just have like different fun colors. These were definitely at Walmart. I like the prices there the best. I found this cute little like banana stand for your iPhone where you can like stand your phone up, and this was $5.99 at Home Goods. And then Sharpie. So again, this is where you kind of want to like branch out and like know what the deal is. So these two, so you get 5 here, you get 10 here. This was $3 at 5 and below. This was probably like $4 or $5 at Office Depot. So I definitely liked Office Depot for that one. Staples, I feel like, is the one that rips you off. That's just my opinion. If anybody works at Staples, I'm sorry. Maybe I just didn't go when the sales were good. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm trying to make sure I'm not missing anything super cute. But y'all know the deal. I'm really liking the TJ Maxx and the Home Goods. You can kind of find different things just depending on where you go. But that has just been my best bet. I haven't went to Target yet for their school supply section. So I plan on doing that probably next week to stock up on some more stuff for y'all. I've been going crazy, as you can see. But if you like this, if you want to see like a part 2 when I go to Target, let me know down below, and that way I'll have like a receipt of everything, because like I said, I have probably like 15 or 20 receipts from all the shopping that I've been doing. It's ridiculous. But I love y'all, and I love spooling y'all around back to school time. And yeah, so let me know if you like this. Again, I hope you did. I know it was a little bit different, and I didn't really have like, hey, this is everything I want to talk about. So I'm sure I was a little bit scatterbrained, but if this is the kind, I asked you guys on Snapchat if you got, I asked y'all on Snap, you have a different little like, and then that's all for today. Make sure to enter the giveaway. Enter it now. Don't forget, if you're in school, you won't regret it, because there's a ton of fun stuff. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.